left man over ice cream. You can't take her no man. Minute she come and bother man about ice cream every minute.
Where are the brother?
Man, you be there that when girl come and talk about ice cream that was she want left me man youth.
So ball that ball.
Yeah man youth.
I want to tell my youth, a big man in the youth. Enough man out there, you know.
Yes, man, then the ice cream
Bad man, don't blame ice cream, but I deal with ice cream. Nothing with ice cream.
I got me and say my youth, she come and talk about ice cream, my
deal
youth.
with ice cream.
My youth. No.
I wanna. Fuck you, so.
Now you want to talk about ice cream?
You know. I really think man, bad man, I deal with ice cream.
Man up.
Man,
come and tell man about
ice cream, you. Bust some button.
A few moments later.
Mom, if you dead, but me ever. Baby, this is it. Hello. Wow. The cook still pays. I'm so far, man. I'm soon come eat it, man. I'm soon come eat it. I tell you one time, he's a cook. Hey, man, I come eat it, man. Soon far, man, because I'm talking about me, I come now come eat it.
Where you talk about eat, man, you? Better me tell the man them boy over here. What kind of eat? Watch me here, hear me? I'll tell the man them say I'm gonna get fat.
You got to video,
Alright, ready.
Oh. Yo, it's a boy Jane, Lujiberry. And if you like the video, just watch a while.
Subscribe to the link.
Just share it, you know what I mean?
Yo, we have a bill schedule for you.
Because I'm going to have a 2 bills. So yo, Lujiberry, I'm going to do you.
68778 3
Alright, let the film good now. Mine 50 523 4093 5610. Get that? So yo, don't forget to subscribe to JNL TV, you know what I mean?
Look out for more free credit at the end of the video.
Yeah, we have a whole pack video to come out. Yo, subscribe what you turn up right now. You know what I mean? JNL TV again, turn up. More subscribers, more videos, better video, better quality, everything better, you know what I mean?
30 grand.